Let's do question number 138. It is related to accounting for taxation. So what is the amount of tax was paid during the year? Okay, taxes paid during the year. We need to tell. Okay, let's gather further information. The statements of financial position of neighbor company include the following extracts. Statements of financial position as at 30th September. So we have got this statement. So we have prior current year here. This is our current year, which is 2022 or 2012, and then we have 2011, which is our previous year. Then the amounts are in million. We had deferred tax liability, because it is in the non-current liability section. Now we have 310 million. Previous year we had 140. So it has increased by 170. This is the increase. This is the increase. Okay. Or here we can say it is the increase in DTL. So you know how you would see it. You would see it in minus actually. Okay. So it has increased by this thing. Then, so earlier we had 140 million of liability. Now we have 3110. Then there is in the current liabilities there is income taxes like taxation, and it is the current liability. So we can say current tax liability. So now we have so it is also liability. So now we have 130 million of liability. Earlier we had 160 million of liability. Okay, that means we have paid has decreased by 30 million. No other information. The tax charge in the statement of profit or loss is 270 million. So income taxes we can say is the current year is 270 million. So it is asking how much we paid. So if we see this tax account in T form, uh, or probably we can prepare the, or we can see it as a math also. Let's leave all of this. Yeah. So 270 suppose we paid. Okay. 270 we paid this current taxes. Let's just assume. And then from 160 to 130 it has become. Okay. So how much is the tax charge? First we need to see that tax in PNL we had 70 for the current year. So ideally in the prior year we had 140. Suppose we paid all of it. The current tax liability this also, and then 270. Okay, we paid all of it. So suppose we paid this much, we paid this much, and then we paid this much. Still what is left is uh, still we have deferred tax liability of this much. Still we have current tax liability of this much. So I think we need to add the prior year plus the current year expense, and then we need to deduct this 310 and then 130. I think the answer should be 130 million.